Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are putting YouCam Perfect head-to-head with Photoleap. Both are powerful editing apps, but they seem to serve very different purposes. So let's find out which of them you should use to level up your finance brand or social content. Let's start with ease of use. YouCam Perfect is beginner-friendly and has one-tap edits, while Photoleap is more advanced and has creative layers and blending. When we look at AI tools, YouCam Perfect has Retouch, Beautify and Background Removal AI tools, while Photoleap has generative AI art, double exposure, and advanced edits. When we look at their price, YouCam Perfect has a free plan plus affordable premium plan, while Photoleap has premium subscription and higher costs. When we look at who or what they are best for, YouCam Perfect is best for polished selfies, LinkedIn pics, personal branding, while Photoleap is best for creative projects, finance ads, and unique visuals. When we look at the speed, YouCam Perfect is fast and has automatic results, while Photoleap is slower but highly customizable. Lastly, output style. YouCam Perfect is clean, professional, or polished, while Photoleap is artistic, bold, and eye-catching. Those are the kind of output you get when you use these two devices, any of them, these two AI tools. Now let's look at conclusion. You see, YouCam Perfect is all about quick, polished edits. It is great for professional headshots and personal branding. Photoleap, on the other hand, is your creative playground, which lets you design bold, artistic visuals with advanced AI and layering, which is perfect for finance ads or campaigns that need to stand out. So if you want speed and polish, simply go with YouCam Perfect. But if you're into creativity and the wow factor, Photoleap is a tool for you. Which one fits your goal? Comment below, smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe for more smart comparisons here on Twoguysfinance. Catch